What's good? What's good? Mga tol, tara, food trip tayo.
Alam ko na, gulat kayo, ba't ako nandito? Wala lang, gusto ko lang mag-baseball na prenito. Kahit bakla to boy, kalbo o merong buhok, mapabata, matanda, mabango o merong puto, may ngipin o wala, mayaman maskido ka, pwede mong kainin dahil di nakakasawa. Sakto to kapag gutom, lalo na pag honeymoon, bago bumaon, baseball sa akin yan. BF mo na babaero, pag natikman niya to, sigurado magbabago, baseball sa akin yan. Lika sa akin sumabay, manood ka lang, problema mo matatangay, baseball sa akin yan. GF mo laging may toyo, ipatigin mo to, siya ay magiging kalmado, baseball sa akin yan. Kahit na anong problema ay deadma, kasi nga baseball kayo sa akin. Kalimutan na ang drama, sumama sabay-sabay, baseball sila sa atin. Baseball kayo sa akin, baseball kayo sa akin. 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 Aga mo naniningil, tapos yung may utang pa sa'yo ang mas gigil, baseball sa akin yan. Teka pare, wag gigil, nasa sayawan ka pero ba't pumipisel, baseball sa akin yan. Hilig uminom kahit walang ambag, tapos sa pulutan pa yung mata niya nakaabang. Daming kontak na babae, iba pre, kaso iba din naman dadali. Tagal mo na single o baka naman hilig mo sa relasyon na walang label. Sad boy siya sa mga post, pero gabi-gabi iba-iba kasamang host, baseball sa akin yan. Ikaw lang yung jobless, nakita-kita sa Facebook nakatopless. Akala ko bayani kasi ikay Andres, nung tinanong ko siya ang sabi niya lang I'm blessed. Tropa mong hilig 150 ng libre kasi gabi-gabi na merong suki. Eskanita sa palengke with Becky, palag-palag na kahit medyo dirty, baseball sa akin yan. Kahit na anong problema ay dead na, kasi nga baseball kayo sa akin.
Yun. So, isang mapagpalang araw, mga utol. Tayo ngayon dito sa isa sa favorite store ko. Kali ano to, nagtitinda sila ng chuchur pisang or yung fried banana. Okay. Ano lang naman to eh, 2-time na best chuchur pisang dito sa Brunei. Tara, food trip tayo. So ayun, malapit na tayo. Actually ayun yung lanes. Okay, so doon ako nag-work. Yan. Check natin dito. Meron din ditong nasikatok na maraming choices ng sambal, no? So check natin kung bukas sila. Ayun, bukas. So ayan, ito yung nasikatok. Okay, solid din dyan, pero dito muna tayo. Okay, oh. Okay, this is my friend. Hello, brother.
Where from? Are you already go?
Yeah, already. Yep, done. So I'm just gonna. I'm gonna eat your chuchur pisang, bro.
Yeah. Look around.
Yeah. Okay, tara. Tingnan natin kung paano ginagawa yung chuchur pisang.
I-check nyo.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Dita ko kita niya, ma'am.
Ayan. So sa atin sa Pinas, gumagamit tayo ng saging na saba. Tapos minimix nila yon sa secret butter nila, no? And then i-deep fry that until crispy and golden brown.
This is chuchur pisang madu.
Chuchur pisang madu. Okay, so they are the 2-time best chuchur pisang here in Brunei. So do you have other stores as well?
What?
Do you have other stores as well?
What I can hear?
No, stores, branches.
What do you mean?
I mean stores from other part of Brunei.
Only here.
Only here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ayun, so nandito lang sila. So usually,
We won
papalipat-lipat
this,
sila.
2 years.
2 years.
This competition.
Nice.
For the kids. You can see the color changing.
Look at that, mga utol.
So this book you can put other flavor like cheese, chocolate, whatever.
Ayun, so sabi nga ni brother, hindi lang siya ganito, so pwede siyang lagyan ng ibang flavor, no? Like cheese, chocolate, water, whatever.
The member embassy come here.
Yeah.
They congrats to us because we win 2 times. Brunei whatever. This about this category teacher lah.
That's nice.
Ya kayak itu loh.
Oh, sir. Ay. Grabe.
Check niya lensa.
Sino yun, sir?
Hotel lah. Check niya orang hotel.
Yeah.
Ano,
So, yan,
isa nga nila 15 minit lang sunod bawa.
so this is how they prepare.
Biar kaya sudah aku kita order tadi.
Yeah.
40 ringgit nih sudah orang membayar.
Now people want to book us.
Mana lebihnya itu
$40.
di rumah ada.
Think they only
That's nice. That's good business. Yeah.
Mengambil lagi di rumah sangat tuh.
Salah awal kan.
Yun, so,
Ini yang 40.
sometimes we can sell in one day 10 around 20 kilo.
20 kilograms.
Yeah,
That's a lot.
yeah. You can finish it in one day.
Dua anak ambil 40 ringgit.
Kan anak bel.
Belum sudah bing in lah.
Pusing lah.
War. Asal juga.
Later, if it's already cooked, you can put like chocolate, add the chocolate or the cheese.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chocolate or cheese.
If you not put flavor like cheese or that, only like original version.
Nice. I like the original one. Yeah.
Original.
Yeah. And then, yan. So, ito yung store nila. So, they've been here for quite a while na. So, medyo matagal na talaga sila dito. So, ito. Dito. No?
Actually, our flowers is Pisang Madu.
Yeah.
We have around 4,000 followers, if I'm not mistaken. But the scammer hacked the account, so we made a new account.
Oh, you have the-
Yeah, that's your follow last time. That's a new account.
Oh, that's right.
The scammer had last year.
Yeah.
Too many followers, around 4K, 6K.
Yeah. So good. Oh, yeah. So, isang
You do some block.
yeah. And
You need to upgrade with Wi-Fi.
yeah. So ayan, they have drinks as well. So,
And the people who give, so they want
See?
20 more.
Sudah ko sa makanan.
nakabukas pa lang nila pero may mga naka-reserve na. Oh, ayan. So, ito mga tol. Subukan natin. Ha? Teka, punta tayo dito kay brother. Dito natin tikman. Ha? Tingnan natin. Yeah?
Very nice. My father cook, my mother cook, I can cook too.
No, it's actually very fragrant.
Then,
Yeah.
aromnya, fragrant.
This
You can put, you can air,
Yeah. Because some chuchur pisang like the banana essence, right?
Yeah.
This one no need.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because this banana is original. No need to put other like
Yeah.
sugar
So,
or
yeah.
what. We don't need use the sugar. Original.
Yeah,
the
always
sweetness
use
from the
good
banana.
bananas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Complete naman ano.
Sudah aku lihat
tingnan
ini
natin.
aku lihatkan.
Resep pa.
Ini hari ya di mana?
Solid. Okay. Super crunchy,
Crunchy ya.
super sweet, with no sugar. So it's naturally sweet because of the banana.
Yeah. That's why I don't use the big banana like the wall. It's not good.
This one is so fresh.
Yeah.
I really like this one.
Susulan pagi program diplomasi. Yang itu khusus lepas Ketua Menara IAEA, Rafael Grossi,
Oh. Grabe oh.
Hijau terang air.
Tayo. Ganda ng kulay niya.
You go to Philippines, if you go home, you can try. Make.
Yeah.
Who knows?
Sobrang sarap. Promise. So this is my favorite drink mga tol, no? Ito yung
Our first
pinaka-
year, we joined the competition. In our first year, we got second. In our first year. Yeah,
Oh, yun,
because
oh.
we don't know about the competition. In the second year,
Yeah.
we got number 1. And third year, we got number 1. Until now.
Grabe, kita nyo naman yung drink.
You can see, right? 2021 Best Dish Award. Let's go.
Ayan, oh.
Three masala dyan.
This is embassy from
Right.
Ministry about
Oh.
food.
So ito yung ano natin, chendol. Yeah. So okay yun, dito tayo sa store na ating utol. So yan, try natin to. Ito, tong chendol. Actually, parang isa sa mga staple or traditional drinks dito yan sa Brunei. So, at higit sa lahat, sobrang mura nito, $1 lang. Ang laki oh. So, yan, mix muna natin. Right? Perfecto. Lalo na ngayon, sobrang init.
If you go back, if you not living.
Don't like this.
Huh? Oh, no? The proper way to mix the chendol. Very massive.
This is not buying from. We met this. My mom. This chendol treat by my mom. Not from buy from market. This chendol, you can compare. From market, it's too big and it's hard to buy.
Actually, your chendol for me is actually the best chendol I ever tried. All over Brunei. Yeah. Yeah. Actually, I've tried almost every places their chendols.
You go.
Yeah. But this is the
The best. Because this chendol, my mom in our house not buying from the market. Mostly people they buy this chendol. Sometimes if you eat, it's
Yeah.
this is feel like soft.
most chendol are hard, a bit hard.
Yeah.
Like they put too much sugar.
Yeah.
So,
Even in the perayaan, you know,
mm,
we can sell in one day almost 15 kilo, 20. Yeah, you can think it. Today our customer buy $40, and before $40 they buy $20, $15.
That's a lot.
Even you
Yeah.
for alone it for $3, right?
Yeah.
It's like not enough. That's
Yeah.
what's not enough for you.
Yeah, actually, sometimes I buy like worth $2.
Yeah.
So it's like for under $5, just $3, I
Still not
already.
enough for you.
It's really good.
Thank you for coming here. Thank you.
Oh, thank you, brother.
Hey, what's your name? I still don't know. From
JM.
What? Reyes.
Later, yeah.
Reyes. I'm Dennis. Dennis. I can call me Dennis. That's my real name. Even if you call my name in my Instagram cherry, also you can do that. Call it. Mostly this recipe my mom found it. We just learning and try. It established around 2008 to 2007. Now in Tutong, people know about us. Yeah, I'm not lying. They know. Everyone here must know. Mostly Indonesian.
Solid talaga.
I like to eat chicken Indonesian.
Actually, this is my most favorite food here in Brunei.
To be honest.
To be honest. Yeah. I'm not doing this just for the vlog, but
Yeah,
to be
yeah,
honest,
yeah.
You see, every rest day, every off day I have, I always.
I think if
It's,
you have
it's
power,
like it's a must that I should go
yeah, you must
here
do
at your
some
store.
content,
Yeah. Yeah.
explore everywhere. Do nothing. I think,
Yeah. So this one is Gula Malaka, right?
yeah, people here call it Gulanao.
Gula now.
Gulanao.
Gula now.
But you can call it Gula Melaka too. You know, you, as a chef, you must know that.
Yeah. Yeah.
I also still new learning this from my mother.
Actually-
I can do that.
This chendol, it's light and creamy at the same time. Your chendol is really soft, so it's like you really want it to drink more.
Our 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 my mom and my father, if we treat our customer, we don't let this every drain smell. It's not good. We will make a new one and refill it again
Nice.
because you need a customer to come, right? You need attention.
So basically,
Yeah.
perfectionist din sila. So gusto nila palaging top-notch yung pagkain nila. Which is tama naman. Diba? So yan, nagdadatingan na yung mga customers nila. So tuloy-tuloy lang tayo sa pagkain. Tara, happy tayo mga tol. So ito, yan yung perfect na combination yan. So chendol, and susurpisa. So ito, so ito hindi sunog yan. So dahil nga hinog na hinog yung mga bananas or yung mga saging nila at super tamis. So pag dinipay nila yan, nagkakarami na siya ng turon. As you can see, oh, para siyang ano, pakulay na ng turon. Diba? At ang kagandahan pa dito, hindi sila gumagamit ng sugar. Talagang natural sugars from bananas yung gamit nila. Talagang solid. Sarap talaga. No?
My mom
Iba
will
talaga.
rock. My mom will
Cheese.
Nice, ah.
Very nice. See? Wow. So meron siyang condensed milk, may cheese. Yeah. Yep.
Chicken, like it, the sweet.
Yun, so eto na. Diba? Yan. Best chendol in Brunei. Solid. Solid talaga, yun lang masasabi ko. Sobrang ang dami ko ng chendol kasi mga tol na natikman dito around Brunei. So ito talaga yung pinaka hinahanap-hanap ng panlasa ko. So talagang ano siya kumbaga sa lahat ng chendol ito yung pinakatatatak sa isip mo at sa panlasa mo kasi
Already finished. Must cook
see?
a new one. Not longer.
kakalapag lang kakalapag lang ubus ka agad ilang minutes pa lang tayo dito guys o ganun kalas to ganun kasarap ang pagkain nila kaya pag nagawi kayo ng totoong dito sa Brunei check nyo na rin yung Instagram nila na Chuchur Pisang Madu. Lalagay natin dyan ha. Lalagay natin dyan mamaya sa description below. Cheese. Oh.
You wanna try? Just put it cheese here. You can try. I put it for you. I take a video for you. Oh. Yeah,
Try
yeah.
natin. Try natin.
You try it by yourself. As much as you want, it's okay. It's okay. Right.
Ya balik lagi mak. Ya mau belajar.
Okay, it's okay. My man. Yeah. It's okay. You can put a lot if you want. Alright. I put some this. You put it like this. No. Just. Yeah. Alright.
Okay, so
Looks like this.
this is chendol ABC.
This is chinchao. This is corn. This is chendol.
Nice.
Ayos na nga, bes sila.
You sell very fast, ma'am, here. Yeah.
That's one for you. That's bring one for you.
Oh, thank you very much, brother.
Because you like chendol.
Yeah, very much.
To try that ABC. Next time, you can choose. You come here, want to buy chendol or ABC.
Yun, oh. So, balik tayo sa pwesto. Right?
You better try the ABC. Next time, you did.
Ayun, so, ito. Ito yung chendol nila na isang klase, which is they call chendol ABC.
Around 2 maybe. Because after this, around 1 PM, I will contact.
Okay. So, ito. Susunod natin na i-try. Okay? Okay mga tol. So, pauwi na dapat tayo. Pabalikin tayo ng hotel. Kasi may gagawin pa tayo doon. So, sobrang bait na itong mga kaibigan natin dito. Ito naman. Binigyan pa tayo. See? So, ito yung chuchur pisang madu with cheese. Yan. See? Okay. See? So, overload siya with cheese. At meron pa siyang condensed milk. And then, ito yung isa sa mga bestsellers din nila, which is ABC, kung tawagin nila. This is what they call it. Chendol ABC. Okay? Let's try first the chendol ABC. Okay? Okay. So, try natin from top to bottom muna. It's quite nice. Sarap siya. See? Mix muna natin. So, ganito daw yung tamang pag-mix niyan. Okay? Okay. Okay. So, so, syempre meron siyang yung green, yung chendol. Meron siyang corn. Meron siyang chincao. Tawagin nila. Then may roast din siya. Sarap niya. Actually, hindi ako ganun ka-fan ng roast. Pero, yung manisa nila, or yung parang rose juice nila, something, or water. So, yung rose syrup, yung mix nila sa water, and then ice. So, yun, nagustuhan ko. At eto. So, parang, kung hindi kayo use dito sa, or hindi kayo sanay sa pagkain ng, or pag-inom ng may rose, ito yung magandang pang intro para sa inyo. Kasi ako mismo hindi ko talaga trip yun. Pero ngayon, na-appreciate ko na siya unti-unti. Ayan. See? Para siyang siyang yung halo-halo na drink sa Pinas. Diba? Pero eto, may roast to. Chincao, may corn. Yan. Yeah.
Rice.
This might be good until dinner. Okay, so let's try, Try natin itong Cheese. Kuha tayo dito sa taas.
Sebagai panuan kepada muslimin dan muslimat, sabdan kami waktu sholat fardu zuhur bagi seluruh ibu negeri dan bandar
My mom forgot to bring the
zuhur di kota
biscuit
Kinabalu, wilayah Port
the Oreo chocolate. It put some at like
baru Johor 1
some chocolate here more sweetness and more sweetness.
107 hari. Kota Pahang 1
Our sibling don't want to eat anymore because feel the boring.
This is quite interesting, bro.
Yeah.
Because this is already good.
Maybe in 1 month, I think I eat this only around 2-3 times.
Ganun kalutong to, mga tol.
Selama menunaikan sholat fardu zuhur untuk muslimin dan
Ganun, ganun. Yung talaga.
amalan kita diterima oleh Allah Subhanahu wa taala dunia dan akhirat. Ikhlas dan ikhlas.
Grabe, kisayaw. Okay lang hindi naman ko lahat. Yung chichur pisang mado nila, yung regular, matamis na siya. Nilagyan mo siya ng cheese at ng condensed, sweet and savory siya, mas nag-elevate pala yung lasa niya. So, ito yung mga tipo ng lasa na hanap-hanapin ng palasa mo, ng taste buds mo. So, nakaka-addict. Seryoso. Ganyan. Alam nyo ba guys kung gano'n nakarami yung nakain ko dito? Ngayon. Yan. Grabe nito, di ba? One down. Okay. Meron sila pa tayo pang-uwi. At meron pa tayo dito. Diba? Saan ka pa? So, lahat ng drinks nila, they only sell it for like $1. And then sa Future Pisang, they sell it for like $1. How many pieces, brother?
Actually, 5 pieces.
See?
But we not give like 5. Mostly we will give like 1 or 6 to 7.
Oh, see? Wala na kayong makikitang Future Pisang na gano'n. Kasi usually, ang $1 dito is between 3 to 4 pieces. So, sa kanila, 5 pieces na, nagiging 6 to 7 pieces pa. So, dinadagdagan nila. Talagang, yung value for money nyo, sulit na sulit dito. Plus, guaranteed yung quality. Tsaka, guaranteed na masarap yung kakainin nyo. Hindi kayo magsisisi. So, kahit na taga-bandar kayo, or kung saan man kayo galing dito, pag nagawi kayo ng totoong worth it yung biyahe nyo. Dahil pag natikman nyo to, hindi nyo pagsisisihan. Okay? So ito, itatago natin, itatabi ko, nadaling ko sa hotel, kakainin ko ulit naman. Dahil sobrang sarap nito. Okay? So, doon na tayo nagtatapos. Maraming salamat dito sa kapatid natin. Dito sa Future Pisang Madu. So, check nyo lang yung Instagram nila. At yun, check nyo. Talagang maganda yung mga paninda nila dito. Solid talaga. Alright? Peace out.
Got a peaceful life. Fishball kayo sa akin. Alam ko na, gulat kayo, ba't ako nandito? Wala lang, gusto ko lang mag-fishball na prenito. Kahit bakla, tomboy, kalbo o merong buhok, mapabata, matanda, mabango o merong puto, may ngipin o wala, mayaman maskido ka, pwede mong kainin dahil di nakakasawa. Sakto to kapag gutom, lalo na pag honeymoon, bago bumaon, fishball sa akin yan. BF mo na babaero, pag natikman niya to, sigurado magbabago, fishball sa akin yan. Lika sa akin sumabay, manood ka lang, problema mo matatangay, fishball sa akin yan. GF mo laging may toyo, ipatikim mo to, siya ay magiging kalmado, fishball sa akin yan. Kahit na anong problema, ay dead ma, kasi nga fishball kayo sa akin. Kalimutan na ang drama, sumama, sabay-sabay, fishball sila sa atin. Fishball kayo sa akin, fishball kayo sa akin. 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 Aga mong naniningil, tapos yung may utang pa sa'yo ang mas gigil, fishball sa akin yan. Teka pare, wag gigil, nasa sayawan ka pero ba't pumipisel, fishball sa akin yan. Hilig uminom kahit walang ambag, tapos sa pulutan pa yung mata niya nakaabang. Daming kontak na babae, iba pre, kaso iba din naman dadali. Tagal mo na single o baka naman hilig mo sa relasyon na walang label. Sad boy siya sa mga post, pero gabi-gabi